Finally, it's happening. Here it comes. We have been living without a home for 3 months. Over 3 months. And I'm tired of living off-grid. Are you happy? Me too.
Thanks. Stay out of the way and let the setters do their job.
Mm-hmm.
That's something.
Gonna be going there. Hooking on to our porch. It's gonna be. Well, I said I was gonna kiss that mobile home when it came, but I think I'll stand out of the way since it looks like, well, it's pretty big. And I think it's best to stand out of the way.
That matches the color. Look at that.
Well, I thought the color would not look as good. This is olive green, but it is beautiful.
Nice bird. Holy shit. Now I know how those tires blow out.
Yeah, 5 minutes ago he had 3 tires blow out. I was wondering what the delay was. And now it's probably time for me to cry. We've been waiting so long. 3 months. Yes, it's so nice to have a home. Home sweet home. Praying.
Oh, it hitches right up. Hold up.
Yeah, feeling pretty emotional. Oh, Daddy ain't crying, but I am.
There's the window, the one window that they
Took the 400 off for,
Yeah.
hopefully, like they said.
How did you guys get that smoothed out?
We didn't.
That's when you're using big toys. That's very effective.
That's gotta be exciting.
Oh God, I never thought this.
I've never thought. My wife and I think about you guys every fucking day.
Oh, thank you.
Because when we drive by here, I want to make sure you guys are okay. Like,
Yeah.
they gotta be warm enough because it's
Yeah.
this is gonna be so awesome.
I gotta do pretty
How
much
long
all
do you
this
think it'll be
without
before
Rick.
you're in?
Well, I'm guessing maybe another week or something. I don't know.
We just gotta hook everything up.
Yeah. Tie it down, then the plumber will come in.
You guys got all that lined up already?
Yeah.
Pretty color.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What is it called?
Olive green, but it doesn't look ugly, you know.
Looks like our shutters on my house.
Good. Yeah, it's a popular color, actually. It's becoming popular.
He made it a pretty good time though. From fucking